Hello, welcome to the heart of dance, where passion meets purpose. I'm Rhee and welcome to DanceLife. At DanceLife, we are more than a company. We are a community that thrives on excellence, support, and transformation. Our mission is clear: to support dance educators and studio owners just like you to achieve your full potential. We provide resources, support, and inspiration through conferences, seminars, workshops, publications, and thriving online platforms. Looking for like-minded dance educators and studio owners, and a place where you can gain some support? DanceLife is here. Welcome to DanceLife, where your journey thrives.